It's big, it's blue, and it's an icon of Route 66. The Blue Whale of Catoosa has been making a splash since the 1970s.
Pack your bags and lose all sense of time. Let's get on the road again.
Hugh S. Davis built this big blue whale as a gift for his wife Zelda on their 34th wedding anniversary in 1972. It was an appropriate present as she loved collecting whale figurines. The giant whale is 20 feet tall and 80 feet long. It was constructed from an iron frame and a lot of concrete. Davis, with the help of his friend Harold Thomas, spent 2 years constructing the whale, bucket of concrete after bucket of concrete. The whale wasn't just a giant sculpture, it was a place to play. Inside the mouth and belly is a slide that once allowed visitors to shoot out into the water. And on the tip of the tail is an old diving platform. Though neither of those features are still in use today, you can climb the steel ladders that are still inside to look out the portholes built into the top. Davis constructed the giant whale on his property, and while the attraction was built for Zelda, its mass appeal couldn't be contained. It quickly became a popular stop for friends and family to picnic and swim. And soon after, it became a local, national, and even an international celebrity, attracting travelers from around the globe. Davis and his wife maintained the giant whale throughout the 1970s and 80s. But as the couple grew older, they could no longer keep up managing the attraction, and it was closed in 1988. The roadside attraction fell into disrepair due to weather damage, age, vandalism, and neglect. The paint peeled, the whale was damaged, the surrounding foliage overgrown. Luckily, the importance of the Catoosa whale did not go overlooked. Due to efforts by the couple's son Blaine, the Catoosa Chamber of Commerce, the Hampton Inn, and other volunteers, money was raised and the whale was able to swim once more.
On your Route 66 road trip, be sure to stop by this Oklahoma roadside attraction. I promise you'll have a whale of a good time. If you love roadside attractions as much as I do, be sure to give this video a like, follow my page, and ride shotgun with me as I explore all the best roadside attractions in America.